What's up everyone, Devin Narrator here. So I'm back with a follow-up video from the previous one we did. Remember we removed the directory JS, which had the index.js file and the main.js file. So when you perform the git add at the time, you would see that you will be able to add like the modifications you have made. When you do a git status, to give you everything there that you have made changes. We have made changes to ALX. We've deleted the JS directory, which had the index.js and main.js. Then you follow it up with the commit message. In this case, they told us to give it the commit message hotfix. So we did that, git commit -m, then hotfix, excuse me. Then then you do a git push. This time you're not doing a push, then the upstream the way you did for the branch. So you just do a git push because you're pushing it to the main. With me pushing it to the main branch, which is the master branch. So with the successful push, you'll get this output. Then below here you could see that I've put another graphic which shows the network graph. So if you go to the GitHub remote repository if you go to the GitHub repository in GitHub, where you are you're committing the changes / uploading the changes, you will see a network. You'll see the networks here, and you'll see the branch that we made, update_script, then the master branch. So you'll see it like that. This is how you're going to see it when you look at it. So it's pretty cool. I saw this. If I want to know like my branch that I made changes to it, I'll just look at that, from the remote repository. So this is how it looks like in GitHub. So yeah. Happy coding. I'm gonna see you guys in the next upload. Peace out.